In this video, I'll show you how to search portfolio on Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description and the pinned comment that will get you a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. After you've clicked on that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You're going to go right over here, click on Start Trading. Make sure Keys shows up right over here under the invite code section. That'll make sure you get the discount on the fees. Sign up, and once you've done so, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now, I'm going to mention that Axiom Pro is the best meme coin trading platform on the market right now. It offers a bunch of tools such as the wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker, P&L tracker that you would have to pay extra for if you're using a different exchange. It also is the only platform that actually pays you in Solana in order to use it. It also has some of the fastest fills on the market. Now, in order to search your portfolio after you've come to this page, you're going to go right over here to the top and click on portfolio. Then you're going to go over here and click on spot. And right here, this is going to give you your active positions, your history, and your top 100. For example, if I wanted to search a coin that I've purchased in the past, I just go right over here and type in Hope, for example. Here are the trades that I've made under that name. You can also just scroll through your portfolio history, and that's basically it. That's how to search your portfolio on Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and please like the video.